Hey everybody, I'm Chris, Fascinating Classic Cars. Got Jake behind the camera. Today we have another beautiful 65 Backdraft Racing Cobra. This is their RT4, that's their current generation. This one is in a beautiful, kind of a medium silver, red racing stripes, and red diamond stitched interior. Beautiful car. Went with black belts just for a little more contrast, not too much red. The normal 427 small block, right around 500 horsepower. The coated exhaust headers and pipes. You also have an optional oil cooler fitted to the front of it. It just looks good having that little hole there beneath the grill filled with something. That's not an expensive option, but it looks nice. Dual mirrors, that's an option. Then this one also has a glove box, which is an option.
It does.
Yeah.
Had it open earlier.
Not everybody likes the glove box. They want to go original, but it looks good. It's useful. Beautiful engine bay. Oh, it also has the optional paint scheme to go under the hood. So again, this is a Windsor-based 427 small block, hydraulic roller valve train, TKX 5-speed, electric cooling fan, rack and pinion steering, braided hoses, serpentine belts. It's a really nice engine. It's easy to drive. When you want to just drive it normal, it's a piece of cake. When you want to have fun, put your foot down and it takes off. I also have the Sabelt optional cam lock seat belts. So these are 4-point. They don't have the anti-submarine belt to come up from underneath. I'm sure you could fit one to it if you really wanted to. Reverse counting speedo. So this is AutoMeter's vintage style gauge cluster. Looks really nice. Auxiliary cooling fan. Heater controls. They're now on the dash rather than being hung underneath here.
And those seatbelts are easy to undo. You just twist that little thing and they all unplug.
They all come out.
Single roll bar on this one.
Yeah, that's right. Single roll bar.
Can't get them with dual or without one, right?
You can do dual if you like. Black carpets. You could get diamond stitching back here also to match. They'll always have black carpet though. They don't have an option yet for any other colors. But if you do this in another color, you don't notice too much of the black floor. Trunk is carpeted. Looks nice. Nice and roomy. Not a whole lot to see back there.
Bottom of the roll bar and the seatbelts back there, but that's about it.
That's a lot of room.
Yeah, plenty of space for a tiny car.
It's a weird thing to brag about on a Cobra, but
cool
it's
gas
nice.
cap.
Yeah.
Chrome.
Still have a key for it.
Yep.
You ready for to start it up?
Yeah, let's go for a ride.
Okay, starting the Cobra is pretty easy. We've got a main power switch right down here.
Nice.
If it was warm out, I'd flip on my electric fan. Don't need it today. It's a blistering 40 degrees out. Turn the key one click and ready to start. So I started this one a few minutes ago, so I don't need to pump the gas. It's carbureted, but our shop can convert it to fuel injection if you're interested. Controls. Once we get warmed up, we'll turn this guy on.
What?
That's right.
It's a little loud inside the booth because it kind of reverberates in there.
A little bit.
A little better once we're out here. What were you saying about the heater?
Oh yeah, once we get some heat built in here, we can turn on the heater.
Oh yeah, we do have a heater in this one.
That's right.
God, these drives so nice.
I know it. It's always a good day when you get to drive a Cobra.
Oh yeah. Boy, it wasn't so cold.
It's not terrible.
It's not bad yet. Oil pressure looks good.
Yeah.
Voltage is good.
Yep. It's
Oil.
charging. Hey, we're getting some temp.
A little bit of water temp finally coming up.
Yeah.
Oil temp is still pretty low.
Yeah, that takes a little longer.
That's going to take a while. You're in fifth gear?
I'm in third right now.
Oh, it felt lower than that.
I thought I was in fourth for a second, but I was in second.
Huh. What's the rear gearing in this one?
This one is the stock 355 rear gear.
Okay.
Which is great.
So you can cruise on the highway in it, no problem. Oh, I can already feel the heater.
That's nice, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's helping a lot, actually.
And you can get heated seats. This one doesn't have it.
Yeah.
It'd be nice if it did today.
But the heater feels good. Makes it really easy to pass traffic when you have a Cobra.
Yeah. We should get one.
I should.
I keep asking.
Now that I can hear again and collect my thoughts. What?
It's cold.
I
When we
know.
get back, I might have to cuddle up to the side pipes.
The heater down there is nice though.
It does a good job.
It's actually doing a lot. Water temp's getting up to about 150 now.
Yeah.
Oil temp still hasn't really moved.
A little bit. It's probably
it's starting to move,
110,
but
105.
that's going to take a minute. Oil pressure's great.
Yeah, it is.
I like the reverse counting speedometer.
Yeah, it's cool.
That's a cool feature of the Cobras.
It's a strange thing to have done,
Yeah,
but I like it.
but that's how you know. Makes it unique. Glove box.
I like the low mirror too. It looks weird, but it works.
Yeah, it actually, you got plenty of visibility out of that and out of the side mirrors. The side mirrors are a little convex, so you can see more out of them.
It's warmed up.
Yeah, it's warm now.
Gosh, these things are great.
Oh god, they just pull forever.
Man, such a lightweight car with 500 horsepower.
We'll get ourselves a startup from the outside and some flybys before we head back.
Okay.
Note to self, bring a stocking cap from now on.
Should have taken Sabelt up on it.
Or some mirror muffs. Oh well.
Brisk.
A little bit. How was that?
That was a lot of fun.
That was fast.
Too much fun. Yeah,
Yep.
60.
Oh, yeah, okay. Sure. 60 miles an hour, that's it.
That's right.
Alright, you ready to go back?
Yes,